Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, we're still moving in this larger wave 4 correction potentially. In this video, I only want to take a look at the 1 hour chart. Bigger picture, nothing has changed. We might take a look at the bigger picture in the next video again. We're ranging. Yeah, we're ranging. We're moving in corrective patterns. Let's talk about the potentials here. The price got rejected in the resistance area. That's also what we've been watching for yesterday. That's why I provided a micro support region. Let's check together if we need to adjust it. No. Okay, so the price has not made a new high since the last update. So what are the scenarios here? There are 3 sets of support levels or areas that we can watch, each possibly leading to a bounce. So there are 3 opportunities for the bulls to step in. The first one is from the upper support region for a direct rally. The second one is from the middle, from the center support region, the support region here in the middle, and the third one here, the lower support region, right? These are 3 opportunities for the bulls to step in. And let me explain the different wave counts that go along. They are all pretty much part of a wave 4 in one way or another. And the key level really that really matters for the bullish scenario is the 64-cent level. I mean, there are many opportunities here for the bulls to show up, but below the 64-cent level, a larger reinterpretation of the chart is required, and my idea of a bullish follow-through to the upside, at least in the short or medium term, has to be revised, and it's going to become very uncertain. Okay, not necessarily bearish, certainly it's not bullish, but it would become uncertain. So the most direct pathway to the upside is this one, where after a third wave of a lower degree topped on the 3rd of December, you might remember that we saw a 3-wave pullback in wave 4. You know, after the price bottomed here on the 10th of December, we've seen a rally, which I only see really as a 3-wave move, but that is not necessarily a problem, given that the move up would be a wave 5, and that means the move could be a diagonal, which means it doesn't matter whether this move up is a 3-wave move or a 5-wave move. Normally, for confirmation and for a clear probabilities, I mean, look, had this been a 5-wave move now, yeah, if this was clearly 5 waves, then I'd be clearly bullish. But it's only 3 waves up. So I'm gonna watch support, but we don't really have clear probabilities at the moment, which kind of aligns with the uncertainty around Bitcoin. That means be aware that support could easily break. While it is a 1-2 setup, it's based on the idea of wave 1 as a 3-wave move, wave 2 pullback, and it could do this. That's the most direct scenario, but a break below 96 cents will make it likely that at least the orange scenario is unfolding, which means we have a larger, or let's say the next support area will come into play. So again, to recap, the upper support area is between 96 cents and $1.06. The price got rejected in resistance and is now moving towards that support area as planned, because this is now where the bulls will need to show up. Okay, if they don't, then the wave 4 that presumably bottomed on the 10th of December is likely still unfolding. But then in this alternative scenario, a break below 83 cents, so if the bulls can't show up here, would indicate that the even larger 4th wave is unfolding with support between 76 and 64 cents in the white scenario before we then go higher. These are the 3 scenarios I see. That means in the very short term, the focus needs to be on the area between 96 cents and $1.06, and any break above yesterday's high at $1.18 would be an indication that we're on our way higher in a direct upside extension within wave 3 or 5 to complete circle wave 3 up there, possibly around 142 to 172. These are the scenarios. They are all bullish at the moment. Just on the micro level, it is not very clear if this is a 1-2 setup that's speculative until we get an upside breakout, because the initial move up from the 10th of December low is not a 5-wave move. Yeah, so that's what I'm watching for on the ADA chart. I think we get clarity if we get a breakout above yesterday's high, or if we break below 96 cents, then at least we can rule out the immediate 1-2 setup to the upside. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.